Alright, how do everyone? We've got this Type S Lightbar 24-inch. This is a Costco product you can get. Company is Type S. This is app controlled, so you can use your phone to control this. It's 136 watt draw, raw lumens, 18,000. It says it's weatherproof and it's got built-in battery protection. Cool thing about this is it's got 2 rows of LEDs and it's got colors. Different lighting modes, and you can control it with your phone. Flip it around here and look at this. So it's got a spotlight, 100% super white, or 100% color light, spot and color, so you can do a color and the white, and then a strobe if you need that. Weighs, it says 6.9 pounds, 12 volts only, effective lumens 4700. And weatherproof to IP67. Comes with the Lightbar hub controller with battery connector, 3M double-sided tape for the hub controller, Allen key, mounting bolts, zip ties, and you can see here's the battery terminals. There are 21 LEDs that are white and 21 color. Here's the dimensions. So it's 23 inches wide without the brackets, 24.6 width, I guess, to the center point of the brackets, 4.3 inches tall with the brackets, and then you can see here 3.43 inches deep, and just the light is 3.27, and the bracket is 1.3 wide. 1.3 inches wide. Really quick shipping from Costco. I think I ordered this maybe 30 hours ago, and the UPS guy brought it today. So here's the kit. You get the light, and the light has a connector that goes to this controller, and this has the Bluetooth control for your app. And then there's a fuse, inline fuse, and then 2 battery connections, and it comes with a fuse. This is a 10 amp large automotive style fuse, and then this controller links up to your phone. They also give you some zip ties, tape for the controller, and then this mount, so you can screw these in with an Allen key, and then you can either go straight behind or at an angle. These mounts are turnable, movable. You do get an instruction booklet, and it does say that the max amperage draw is 5.5 amps. So 5.5 amps at 136 watts or 12 volts. You can see how that might work. They're saying required tools, 1/4 inch drill bit and drill, pliers and wrench. So I got this all screwed in, drilled a hole here. This is on my lower bumper. It's probably gonna get mangled on the trails, but I wanted to try it this way rather than up here because that could impede the cooling a little bit. If this turns out to be a problem, I can always move it. So drilled 2 holes there, got these nuts in. There's some little rubber pads that they give you, so put those there. Reached inside, it's got the bolt threaded, torque those down. Power cable comes here, and I found this cubby hole in the radiator bumper support, and just tuck that receiver right in there. Power cable comes out here, comes up here through here. Make sure this isn't rubbing anywhere. Got it up to the positive terminal there. Fuse box is here, and the ground is right here. So very straightforward. I do have some upfitter switches in here that I could connect, but I didn't want to mess with that. So let me show you how it works now. Go to your phone, the app, press Smart Off-Road, and there it came on. Turn on the white. Very, very bright light. You can have two-tone, We can go to the color wheel. So you can move all around the color wheel. Pretty nifty. And then you can save presets. You can blind yourself. And then to turn it off, just hit that button and it's off. And you can control that while you're driving. So very straightforward. I like that. For watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe.